It's time! The 2018 OC Fair has finally opened its doors! There were circus acts, mascots, and of course, food! Don't forget about the rides, they're as crazy as ever! I'm thinking this guy could have picked a better first date. There's also a haunted mansion. This dude didn't make it out alive. And how about Darth Gator, a 45-year-old, 1,120-pound Florida gator? He's hungry. Look out! Hey, here's a new animal exhibit this year. Feed the lorikeets. Take a selfie and try not to get bit. The prices of food, hey, still expensive. But here's a better way to cool down. And it's free! The OC Fair runs until August 12th. Jonathan Khamis for the Orange County Register.